Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this problem without a calculator. So we have 200 squared minus 199 squared. And a lot of you there might be thinking, well, how are we going to do this without a calculator? These numbers are so big, and squaring them, that would create a number so large that it would be really challenging to do on paper. Well, there is a simple trick to doing problems such as these ones. So if you recall, a squared minus b squared this is an important expression in algebra, and this is actually equal to a plus b times a minus b. So a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So all we have to do is plug in 200 and 199 for a and b. Well, we could say that a is 200 and b is 199. So, meaning 200 squared minus 199 squared, this is equal to 200 plus 199 times 200 minus 199. Now, 200 plus 199, that's going to be 399. So now we have 399 times 200 minus 199. Well, these two only have a difference of 1. So we simply have 399 times 1. And this is really simple. Anything times 1 is itself. So this would simply equal 399. Meaning the answer to this problem is 399. And it's that simple. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x squared plus x squared is equal to x to the power of 4. Now, what I'm first going to do is I'm going to subtract x to the power of 4 on both sides. So now we have x squared plus x squared is equal to, minus x to the power of 4 is equal to 0. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out the greatest common factor of all these terms, which is actually x squared. So now we have x squared times x squared divided by x squared is 1 plus x squared divided by x squared is 1 minus x to the power of 4 divided by x squared. Well, if we have something in the form a to the power of m over a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So x to the power of 4 over x to the power of 2, that's x to the power of 4 minus 2, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So this would be x squared. And this is equal to 0. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, so now we have x squared times 2 minus x squared is equal to 0. And now this gives us two equations. Our first equation is x squared is equal to 0. And our second equation is 2 minus x squared is equal to 0. Now for x squared equals 0, well, this is simple. The only number that's squared is that equals 0 is simply just 0. So for this, we have x is equal to 0. That is one solution. Now for a second equation, I'm going to add x squared on both sides. So now we get 2 is equal to x squared. And now if I take the square root on both sides, I get plus or minus the square root of 2 is equal to x. So these are two more solutions to this equation.